In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix files keep stopping error on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are experiencing this error while trying to open your Google Files app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, we need to access Google Files app info page to troubleshoot. To do this, go to your settings on your phone. And from settings, look for apps, and here's apps. Tap on it to open. From apps, look for all apps or manage apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for files, and here we have files by Google. If you open it, now we are on files info page. First, go to force stop. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this, and then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Google Files app, now everything should be okay. However, if you still have a challenge at this point, then you want to check it and see that you are not using any VPN app. If you have any VPN app or recently installed security app, you'll have to uninstall it to fix this. But some cases you might still see this after fixing. If you still experience this, then go to Google Play Store and find out if we have any update for your files by Google app. So I search for files from Google Play Store, and if I run my search, now you can see we have an app here and we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Google Files. Tap on update and this will download the latest version of Files app by Google and then install it on your phone. Once this has been updated, now go to your Files app and everything should be okay. But at this point, should you still encounter or find any challenge, then you'll want to uninstall your Files app and then install it afresh. This will fix any bugs that might be causing this issue. In most cases, if your Files app by Google is infested by bugs, this will make your app stop each and every time you try to open it. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.